I might be a little bit old, so I hope you guys know this me. This is Chicken Little, obviously. I really don't know if y'all have seen those movies or not, but this for me was like one of my faves as a kid. So I saw this me and it's creative, nostalgic for me. It checked my boxes, so I had to do it. Let me see if we could find his actual favorite color, but I think the green is just like outfit he wore in the movie. Yeah, they don't tell us his favorite color, but this color is definitely the closest to the shirt that he wears. Chicken Lil. Oh, I really wanted to at least be able to do Chicken Lil. We could just call him Chicken. Damn, bro, just calling him Chicken feels like, you know, not acknowledging the fact that he's a character from a show. But this is probably the only Chicken I'm gonna have on my me list, so we could take that. We'll take that. I'm not happy with that, but we'll take that. Yeah, Chicken Little, GG's.